This is the elevator here at the Country Inn and Suites in Fitchburg, Wisconsin. Take a look at this. We have a Schindler 338 to ride. This was installed in 2006. Wait till you hear the motor on this. Yep, we all know that. Get a cab view. It's a pretty decent cab, I gotta say. Header, indicator, HD premium buttons, 25 pound capacity. This is 2 Schindlers in a row, actually. But wait till you hear the motor on this. All right, let's be very quiet for this motor. Here we go. Very strange. We'll end down at 2. This is a 2006 install and it has an epic motor. Normally the ones for that are up to 2005 have epic motors. That is very strange. And this is where we're gonna end the video at. Hello. How you doing?
Good, good.
There it goes. And that's it.